How's it going, everybody? Today we're taking a look at our one-bedroom model, which is 763 square feet, located on the first floor. You got your 12-foot high ceiling. First thing you see coming in is the kitchen. As you can see, it features a nice subway tile backsplash. Got your quartz countertop all the way around. Stainless steel GE appliances. Two-tone European style cabinetry. And then vinyl plank flooring. Washer and dryer in here. Got your living area. Let's take a look out the balcony. Beautiful view of the pool, middle of the courtyard. To the left, we got the bedroom. Nice size walk-in closet. Last, we got the bathroom. Our luxury bathroom features white quart vanities. We got upscale porcelain tile flooring. If you guys like what you see, make sure to check out our website on stationonsilver.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below.